Greetings, Code Traders. It is Wednesday, June 20th, 2018. The news just came out, shot up a bit there, about 60 ticks, 65 ticks. And I'm going to take a trade. I'm going to use the code 2, the news date entry. I'm going to back off on the ticks here, though. Let's back off to like 25 on the exit. So if I go short or go long, this is going to be a 25 tick trade here I'm going to go for. The charting service has charted and tracked that this particular trade is not doing very good over the last month and a half. It's not doing very good at all. It's only good for about 15 to 25 ticks and sometimes 35 ticks. Normally it would be good for 40 ticks, 60 ticks, 80 ticks, 100 ticks, even 200 ticks I've seen it be good for. So right now, for whatever the reason, it's just not doing very good. So I'm not going to go for very much. In fact, I may only even go for just a 15 tick trade here. Let me take a better look at it, and then let's go take a look at the daily for all you charting subscribers out there. Well, that's what we got here. It doesn't really tell us a whole lot. It could drop here. It's starting to move right now. Let's look for the signal. Okay, let's zoom out a little bit. Alright. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm looking for a signal, or whether it wants to go long or whether it wants to go down. Just because it looks like it's going to start going down right now doesn't mean it will. The code will let me know whether it's going to go up or down. Take the position. Of course, again, the code's not good for very much lately, but this one might be good for something. This thing actually might drop down. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a long position. I'll be right back. I'm going to go set the stop. It's already taken off. I'll be right back. Okay, it's moving up here. I'm not convinced it's going to keep going, but my exit's at 72 for 25 ticks. See if this can make it. I am going to set a break-even stop on it right now. Let's bring it up. Bring it up right to there. That's a break-even stop on it. So if it comes back down and hits right there, it's just going to break me out, break even pretty much. One tick ahead, but always pretty much breaks you even just about. Or it's going to make it up to my exit. This is exactly what I said I was going to do, except for, I said I was going to do this in the charting service. That I was going to play very, very conservative with this trade because the charting service calls for this right now. It's not a very good trade right now. If it works today, great. If it doesn't work and goes break even, that's okay too. I don't expect it to be a real performer today. But if it does, great. Anyway, I'm in. I've got a break-even stop on it. Either the break-even stop will get hit or the exit will get hit. I will come back. Looks like it might make it here. Okay, it did make it. Alright, so a nice little easy, quick 25 ticks, not too difficult. Basically, the charting service is basically going to go, well, it's basically not going to do much now. Not really going to go anywhere. So that's what the charting service has been saying pretty much. Not every day, not every news day, but a lot of them. So this was an appropriate thing to do, a strategy to use. Anyway, I'm all done. Easy news day trade. This trade was called out exactly within the charting service before it would ever even happen. All charting traders should have just taken that trade. Now, if you went for 25 ticks like I did, then you got it. If you're going for more, you haven't gotten it yet. If you went for 15, you got it already. But anyway, I decided to go for 25 and I got it. Anyway, not a bad day. I look forward to the days when we can hit 40, 60, 80, 100 tick trades on this trade again, because the news day was always very good. But it'll come back again like that. Don't worry, it will. Guaranteed. Well, can't guarantee it, but I strongly think that it will. I've seen it do this before, where it goes into periods like this, and then it goes right back to the way it normally is. Anyway, I will see all of you for Thursday's trading, and for you charting subscribers, we'll do the prediction for Thursday, but actually you already know what it is. So easy week this week using the codes. Alright, I'll be back tomorrow, everyone. Happy trading out there.